Hey folks, and welcome to week number 3. This week really is going to be focused on writing essay number 1. So I want you, before you start writing, to complete the readings. And I want you to do that because it's got two pieces that are really about writing in and of itself. Okay, these two pieces are Shitty First Drafts by Anne Lamott. She's a longtime journalist and essayist. And I really like this piece by her. And then a piece called Picturing the Personal Essay by Tim Bascom. Okay. So I want you to read those two pieces first, think about them. Then I want you to write the essay 1 draft. I want you to submit it to this Dropbox Word format, of course, as always. PDF works as well. And then there's this reflection question here, which actually asks you to look back over the two pieces that you've read, but I actually want you to write the essay before you start worrying about the reflection, okay? So just 3 things this week. I really do want to give you the week to work on writing this, so do your readings, then write the essay. After you've submitted the essay, then look at the reflection question and start thinking about it. I don't want you to start working on the reflection until after you've submitted the essay, okay? I'm glad to answer any questions you've got. As always, I am here to help. Just reach out.